Hi, my name's Robbie. I live in Gunner, Texas, and this is my shop. My experience with Allen's Factory Outlet it was just easy. From start to finish, everything was easy. I discovered them just by Googling online for metal buildings, and what stood out to me was the feature of being able to customize my shop online. I chose a 22 by 40 building. I felt that was the largest I could do in the space that I wanted in my shop. I went with 9-foot walls because I didn't want to block too much of the scenery. This area here is kind of my paint area, kind of sort of an office. Then I have a bathroom. This back wall is my woodworking area with my saws and everything. I do a lot of woodworking, and my tables all move around so that I can utilize the whole space for my woodworking stuff. These are just miscellaneous parts that I use, plumbing, electrical parts, screws, stuff like that. And here I have my compressor and paints. We got my toolboxes and all my tools. And I use the top of my loft area here for storage. Favorite features about the building would be the color options that they give you. I didn't want your standard colors, and they had a big variety of colors. I use the garage to tinker. I like to be outside when I'm not working. And I tinker on everything from woodworking to cars and motorcycles and anything I can really get my hands on. So this is a 1974 Yamaha DT100. I bought it quite a few years ago and just had it sitting, and with the plans of always restoring it. And now that I have my shop, I have the opportunity to do that. If I could add something to my garage, I'd put a lift in so I could work up underneath the vehicles. Yeah, I love the 3D builder. Being able to move the doors and windows and add and subtract stuff was real nice, and it gave you prices with it too, so that was nice. My brother-in-law was inspired after he saw my shop to look into purchasing his own. I would recommend Allen's Factory Outlet to others just for the ease of the whole process from purchasing to installation.